In this video, I'm going to be talking about, can you remove the suggested reels on Instagram? Okay, so when Instagram releases a feature like this where they suggest posts, they suggest reels, typically the answer is no, you can't really get rid of that within your Instagram app. The only thing you could possibly do is if you go onto a reel and let's just say this reel was suggested, what you would want to do is you would just see these three vertical dots on the bottom right hand corner of the specific reel. What you would want to do is you'd want to come here and tap on the button that says not interested. Now, some people say this works. Some people say that this doesn't work, but all you would need to do is repeat that process for these specific reels, and then those types of reels won't get suggested to you over time if you keep on doing that. But the feature of where they suggest you new reels to watch, typically you cannot get rid of that because that is a feature that is embedded into the Instagram app now. When they release new updates like that, there's no off switch for these specific features. So I hope this explained it for you, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.